Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Genie Coder. If you guys are new here, I pretty much do the code stock questions and I explain things in the simplest way possible. Today we have a pretty good problem today, so let's go ahead and read that. All right. So he says you're given a pointer to the head node, right, of a linked list, and an integer add, right, and an integer so you can add to the list, right. It says create a new node with the given integer, right. It says insert this node at the tail, right, of the linked list, right. Return the head of the node of the linked list, right. Formed after inserting this new node, right? The given head pointer may be null, meaning that the initial list is empty, right? So that's a pretty good thing that it tells us that, right? So pretty much, guys, the linked list node, that's the type, right? The definition right there, right? And then yeah, they're gonna give us this other input, right, which is the data, right? You know what I'm saying the data, right? That's pretty much the integer data, pretty much. It's gonna, you know what I'm saying. So yeah, so there's gonna be integer val as well. So yeah, so you guys can see it, you know what I'm saying. Yeah, so so there's the data, right? So we're gonna be giving this data. So right now, guys, the way we're gonna pretty much solve this problem, right? You know what I'm saying, maybe I give you guys an example of one, right? So pretty much we're gonna be given this data field, right? Okay, it's data field, and also you guys can see it, right? It's weird. Let me see. I'm trying to zoom out real quick. There's a data field right there, right? So you guys couldn't see it, but that's right there. I'm saying so. Yeah. So right now, like I told you guys, right, we're gonna be given this data field, right? So let's say the data is equal to 2, right? And then we have a linked list which has 1, 2, right? You guys know what a linked list is. I'm saying how it looks like, right? So just random values. I'm saying not real random because 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Kind of sorted and they're organized, right? So yeah. So we're gonna give this. Let's say we're given this thing 5, right? The data, right? We need to add that node to the tail of the list, guys. So the tail of the list is pretty much right now the tail of the list is 4, right? So that's the last node, right? So we need to insert 5, like a new node, right, which is gonna be 5. That's gonna have a data field, like the data of 5, right? We need to add it to that, right? So how are we going to do that, guys? So that's kind of what we're expected to you guys, right? So yeah, so let's quickly do that, right? So the way we're gonna do it, guys, gonna be very intuitive, right? So to add 5, right, we're pretty much gonna loop through, right, the linked list, guys. We're gonna loop through the linked list, right? As we're looping, guys, once we get to the last node, right, this node, all right, we're gonna pretty much stop, right? And then we're gonna do this node that next, right, should be pointing to so it's not gonna point to null anymore, it's gonna point to 5, right? The new node that we're gonna create, right? And then this node 5 is gonna have a null node, right, next node, because that's the last node of the list, guys. Because that's how we know we get to the last node, right? Because the last node points to null, right? So the linked list is pretty much a bunch of nodes that points to each other. The last node points to null, right? So, and after we're done adding the new node, we just return the original head of the original list, guys. So it's just as simple as that, guys. So hopefully you guys were able to understand. That's pretty much the gist of this problem. And you guys already know the edge case where the list is empty, right? We simply return. So if the head is empty, right? The head node is empty, we're gonna return, guys, right? Since that's the edge case, return use singly linked, right? Singly linked list node, right, with the data field, right, that we passed in, right? So it's gonna handle that case, right? And then now, guys, I told you guys, right? So we're going to take a reference to the head, right? And then we're gonna loop through, guys. We're gonna loop through the list, right? So while cur is not null, guys, right? Cur is not null. We're gonna pretty much, guys, what we're gonna do? We're gonna do cur is equal to cur that next, right? And yeah, you probably peeped that already. We need to do cur that next, guys, is not null, right? So if it's not null, right, so because we don't get to the last node. So we get to the last node, right? So we get to 4, right? And 4 is going to cur that next, right? You know what I'm saying? So cur that next points to this new node that I'm creating right now, right? And I'm gonna pass it the data field, right? And then yeah, I have now the last node 4 is pointing at 5 now, right? For this particular case that I have, right? Then I return, guys. I don't return current. I return the head, right? The original head, guys, right? You don't return current. You return the head. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So just like that, guys, we're pretty good. So let me sure I comment those out. Right? Very, very important. So let's press run code. See if we pass all the small test cases, guys. Ah, sorry, guys. Forgot to do new. I am tripping. All right, let's press run code. Looks good. Let's press submit. Awesome, guys. We passed all the test cases, guys. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys found value, leave me a like. If you guys are new here, subscribe to the channel, guys, because I'll be doing a lot of other videos just like this one. So thank you guys for watching and seeing you in the next one.